All right, on the off chance that you have no idea what you're looking at here, basically this is the parabola of y equals ax squared, and at this moment the a value equals 1. So basically this is the graph of y equals x squared, and the idea is to push this little cursor around over here and see what happens. So you'll notice as we make this larger, as the a value gets larger, the graph will get more narrow or skinnier or stretched, and as we make it closer to 0, it starts to get wider, 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 wider. So this is like 0.1, but it's also like 1/10 is another way to look at that. So if these are fractional values that are between 0 and 1, we're seeing a very wide parabola. And then once we hit the negative signs, the whole thing flips over. And again, as we move further from 0, the more narrow the graph gets. So these ones that are between 0 and -1, we consider these kind of wider or fatter parabolas, and then the ones that are more than -1, or I'm sorry, to the left of -1 and even further from 0, more and more and more narrow. So that's kind of what you were supposed to figure out based off of this little playing around with this slider.